first thing you want to do before working on any electrically driven air compressor is to make sure the compressor itself is turned off, the power to the compressor is turned off, and if possible, that the air compressor is unplugged from the power service. Once you feel you're sure that you've turned off the power to the compressor and disconnected any additional power sources that might operate the air compressor,
What's up? He's complaining about like a sore throat. Come on, boss. How are you? I'm good. You? Just peachy. Right out here, because structural and all that stuff. Well, I grew up on it. Well, he had to shot.
in this video, we will go over service components on the RS3 air end. We will open the thermal valve, inspect, clean, and either repair or replace it from this port.